Good morning, student. Well, we will discuss about the physics 2 topic optics. Last class we have discussed some topic, some of the optics up to reflection. Here it is. We have also discussed about the spherical mirror, sign convention in spherical mirror. You will get it. This is the pole of the mirror. This is the center of curvature O. This is the focus. F is the focus. When an object is placed on the principal axis, this is the principal axis. Principal axis up to this mark. When a ray comes, this is the incidence ray. After reflection, it comes through this. एटा होची इंसिडेंस रे रिफ्लेक्शन हैला परे से कोन आसीबो फोकस दे केमते आसीबो तापरे अनदर रे व्हिच पासेस थ्रू ऑप्टिकल सेंटर दे की जो आसीबो मींस सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर दैट लाइन कैन नॉट बेंड इट रिट्रेस बैक टू द सेम लाइन जोटा एपटे जीवो कोपटे जीवो एटा सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से लाइन ता जायकी आउदरे पुनी से लाइन रे आसीबो एटा गोटे क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क रे व्हिच लाइट रिट्रेस बैक बाय इट्स ओन पाथ अर्थ होची केउ लाइट ता तार निज पाथ रे आउथरे पुनी रिट्रेस बैक पुनी फेरी आसीबो द लाइट व्हिच पासेस थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर दैट रिट्रेस बैक इन द सेम पाथ हियर इट इज द लाइन ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन सो इमेज इज सीन जोडी ए लाइन रे डायरेक्ट लाइन ता और रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट जोडी इंटरसेक्ट होबो एटी होची तार इमेज फॉर्मेशन आसीबो इफ एपी इज द ऑब्जेक्ट एपीटा जेतळ ऑब्जेक्ट आसीबो तार इन्वर्टेड इमेज a dash b dash एटा होची तार इमेज ab टा एटा होची तार इमेज माने प्रति छवि एटी देखा जिवो छविटा तार एटी देखा जिवो ओके नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द साइन कन्वेंशन अर्थ होची कोटा पॉजिटिव निया हबो कोटा नेगेटिव निया हबो दैट वी विल डिस्कस फर्स्ट साइन कन्वेंशन साइन कन्वेंशन यार मीनिंग होची कोन एक नंबर ऑलवेज द मेजर्स आर टेकन फ्रॉम द पोल ऑफ द मिरर रो पोल टा होची इटा होची पोल पॉइंट टा जेटा कि मिरर रो होची मिडिल पॉइंट एटू सब जगह मेजर एटी निया हो जेंति हमर एटी लाइन नंबर लाइन रे एटी होची ओरिजिन रे एटा 0 एपटे होची सब जगह प्लस एपटे सब जगह माइनस एटा मध्ये सेमति ओरिजिन एटा पोल इज द ओरिजिन where the measurement are taken जोटी measurement गुडा को निया होछ the right side measurement eta hoch right side measurement are positive the left side measurement are negative एटू एपटे measurement करबा से गुडा होछ नेगेटिव आसीबो एपटे measurement कले त कोन को आबो पॉजिटिव बोली को आबो नाउ नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव लुक एट This is number 1. The right side measurement to the pole are positive, the left side are negative. 1. Second one, the erect figure माने एमती सीधा है जोटा अछि the erect figure are positive, the inverted अर्थ होछि जोटा कि एमती उल्टा है अछि the inverted figure are negative. These are negative. First one, all the sign are taken from the pole. Second one, the positive measurement, the positive to the what? The right side to the pole are positive and left side of the pole are negative. The erect figure are positive, the inverted figure are negative. Third one, the inverted figure are negative. So these are the sign convention. Okay, sign convention अर्थ होची कोटा positive कोटा negative measurement कोटा कोटु निया होची. These are about what sign convention. Now we will discuss about the magnification. So what do you mean by the magnification? Magnification. In Oriya that is the Bardhana. Bardhana. Bardhana means, now get, here it is the size of object. Here it is the size of image. ए साइज को कंपेयर करले आठू ये सान हम कि बड़ हम दैट इज नोन एज व्हाट मैग्निफिकेशन. मैग्निफिकेशन मीन्स ताटू केते बढ़िबो किबा कमिबो. सपोज हियर लुक एट हियर ऑब्जेक्ट हियर इमेज साइज a dash b dash is the image size by ab is the object size. a dash b dash by ab the image टा एटा image to object को आमे जेतल कंपेयर करबा that is known as magnification. So magnification रे कोन आसीओ एटा होची फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन the ratio of size of image to the size of object is known as what magnification. Magnification अर्थ होची यार साइज को आर साइज डिवाइड करले दैट इक्वल टू व्हाट मैग्निफिकेशन रिप्रेजेंटेड एम. मैग्निफिकेशन मींस एम एम कोन बा एटा होची मैग्निफिकेशन रो फर्स्ट अक्षर होची एम. So m equal to here it is a dash b dash by ab. This is the definition number 1. Second definition you look at. This is the second point you look at. This is the first point and second point. Magnification defined as the ratio of the distance of a image to the distance of the object from mirror from pole. So now here magnification m equal to what? ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस एटी इमेज डिस्टेंस टा होची p a dash माने एटी पोल टू इमेज डिस्टेंस होची p a dash पोल टू ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस होची p a ए दिटा रो रेशियो मध्ये तो कोन कहते मैग्निफिकेशन मींस p a dash by p a p a dash by p a. ओके सो p a dash by p a कोटा पॉजिटिव कोटा नेगेटिव और लेटर वी विल डिस्कस दैट वन. There are two definitions. The first definition is the ratio of the height of object, image to the height of what object. First one. Second one, the distance of image from the pole to the distance of object from the pole. This ratio also known as what? Your magnification. Okay. There are two definitions. Magnification is positive and negative. Where it is the positive, where it is the negative, we will get. कोडे पॉजिटिव आसीबो कोड नेगेटिव आसीबो मैग्निफिकेशन देखो प्ले जोटा को माने अपवर्ड थो फिगर ता अपवर्ड थो दैट इज द पॉजिटिव. हियर p a dash is the negative because here the downward it होची a dash b dash ता एटा डाउनवर्ड अछि ना नै सो इट इज नेगेटिव. दिस इज द नेगेटिव. a p ता कोन होची ता अपवर्ड होची एटा होची प्लस माइनस बाय प्लस इक्वल टू व्हाट दिस माइनस. So concave mirror रे magnification is what? Magnification is minus. Means the object रो image टा देखा जो always this is the smaller in size. Minus रो अर्थ होची smaller in size. कोडा object टा जेते बड़ थिले मते तार image टा कोन आसीबो ताटू साना आसीबो. This negative represents so far. So the magnification in a concave lens, concave mirror is always negative. That means the image size is less than that of the what object size. And again we will discuss about the convex mirror. But in case of convex mirror, the image size, image and object both are in erect. माने सीधा रे दिने जाथिबे प्लस आसीबो. Means the virtual figure seen and here the larger image you can find. In case of what convex mirror, the larger image is seen. Okay, now again we'll get P to F. PF is known as the focal length. Focal length. P to F. This equal to simply F. F means focal length. P to F length is PF. PA dash. PA dash. This is known as the image distance from the pole. Image distance that represented by V. PA dash equal to V. It is image distance. Image distance. But this is negative P minus V. Why it is minus V? Because left hand side of the what pole? Pole to left hand side, so it is minus. Focal length also minus. Why it is the minus? Because here also this lies in the left hand side of the pole. And another is PO. PO means here it is the O. OP or PO is equal to this is the what? Center of curvature, radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. That is represented by R, or that is minus R. Why? It is also left hand side. Another PA. PA equal to, that is the object distance. Object distance. Object distance PA. So PA equal to what? U. But this is minus U, because here also this is what lies left hand side of the what pole. So U. These are what? Representation or symbolical representation of this distance. So image or magnification M equal to V by U. V means what? The image distance by object distance U. V by U. Okay. Sometimes it is a positive or negative. In this case, you look at, if both are negative, then it is a plus. If one of the negative, then it is a plus minus. Okay. Minus and plus, that depends on the mirror. Mirror upon it depend करछि minus किंबा plus. So understood or not? And this magnification is known as what? Longitudinal, transverse magnification. Transverse magnification. V by U is known as the transverse magnification. So what is the transverse magnification? Transverse magnification means the ratio between the length of what, or distance of image from the pole to the distance of what, object from the pole. This ratio is known as transverse magnification, represented by M. Another, we will discuss longitudinally. Longitudinally magnification. Longitudinal magnification equal to M square. The square of the what? Transverse magnification. M टा होची कोणता? Transverse magnification, तार square टा होची कोणता? Longitudinal magnification. M होची transverse magnification and M square is known as the what? Longitudinal magnification. Remember this minus represent what? Minus means this is the representation of which mirror? This one? Concave mirror, this one, representation of this. Okay. Longitudinal magnification equal to minus M square, or minus of the square of transversal what? Magnification. So here it is. You look at, if M greater than 1, M equal to 1, M less than 1, then what happens? M greater than 1, the figure is unreal or virtual. Virtual image is there. But in this case, the real image is here. M less than 1, it is the real image here. But in this case, it is what? Plane mirror. Plane mirror. But in this case, what? It is convex mirror. Here it is the concave mirror. Real image is seen in case of concave mirror, but virtual image is in convex mirror, where the magnification is greater than 1. Where the magnification is less than 1, it is the real or concave mirror. When magnification equal to 1, that is what? Plane mirror. Okay. So next part we will discuss. Image formed at different conditions. Different conditions रे केमती image formation होजी in a spherical mirror we will discuss. Image in a concave mirror. One condition number one. You look at here is the small mirror. Here is the principal axis. Pole P, and an object is at the infinity distance and small object is at the infinity distance. Here it is the object at infinity distance. Object is placed at infinity distance. Here it is the object. So you look at a parallel rays coming. Incidence near to P पाखरे incidence होबो. Object कोठी अछि at infinity distance रे object अछि. After that it reflect back through the what? Focus. And another ray passing through the what? Passing through the optical center means center of curvature. It retraces back in the same direction. आ गोटे रे गोटे जाउची कोठी जाउची एपटे गला एटा होची कोनटा सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर ओ देई गला ये आउ रिट्रेस बैक ही गला ए कोटे दीटा जगह कोठी एगुडा मिटेबे फोकस पाखरे एटा प्राय मिटे फोकस पॉइंट ये स्मॉल वेरी स्मॉल इमेज इज seen ए सपोज दिस द ऑब्जेक्ट here object is inverted very small object or inverted very small object so केमति लेखा हबो now look at position and characteristic or properties. So what is the position of the object at infinity? माने अर्थ होची बहुत दूर रे गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट रहबो बहुत दूर रे at infinity distance रे गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट रहबो तार रे गुडा के एमपी आसी के एपटे कोडी तार इमेज कोडी फॉर्मेशन हबो एटा होची इमेज एटा होची कोनटा ऑब्जेक्ट. कंडीशन नंबर 1 इमेज कोडी फॉर्मेशन हला एट एफ पाखरे हला तार सेकंड कैरेक्टर वेरी स्मॉल पॉइंट साइज गोटे पॉइंट भलिया छुट्टिया गोटे देखा जो पॉइंट भलिया देखा जो पॉइंट साइज ए रियल वास्तव फिगर देखा जो वास्तव एंड इन्वर्टेड real and inverted figure you can see when an object is placed at infinity distance बहुत दूर रहे. This is the condition number 1. Second condition image देखिए केमते आसे second condition. Here f focal length, here center of curvature and here an object. Object का कोड रखा है just beyond 2f इट f है इधर दूरता को 2f बोली कुआबो कारण यार टू पार्ट होची एटा होची तार रेडियस हमें आगरो डिस्कस कर जे ये 2f एटा f टू 2f बट ऑब्जेक्ट का कोड रहला बियॉन्ड 2f माने अर्थ होची 2f टू दूर रे बियॉन्ड 2f ऑब्जेक्ट एटा रहला बियॉन्ड 2f एटा आसला एटी पैरेलल रेस आसला एटा आसला एटा आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इट कम थ्रू द व्हाट फोकल पॉइंट देके आसला आ गोटे कोडी गला सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर जे गोटे रे गला center of curvature देगी it retraces back in the same direction एटा उधर पूरी same direction रहसे एले इमेज टा पूरी फॉर्मेशन हला एटा इमेज जदी एटी एटा होची आर इमेज टा होची a dash b dash a small image is seen here a dash b dash a small image एले पूरी इमेज फॉर्मेशन हला f to f भीतर इमेज फॉर्मेशन हला ए लेखा हबो between f and 2f f and 2f माने f और 2f भीतर इमेज फॉर्मेशन हला तापर एटी वेरी स्मॉल का लिखा हो फॉन्ट साइज लिखा होनी छोटो देखा जिवो वेरी स्मॉल आपको डिमिनिश्ड मध्ये कहते डिमिनिश्ड फिगर मींस स्मॉल फिगर रियल फिगर जिते उल्टा फिगर देखा जो ऑल द इन्वर्टेड फिगर आर द रियल इन्वर्टेड. So question given is when the object is placed beyond 2f, what are the characteristic of the image? You write what between the f and 2f the image is seen very small diminished figure and real inverted figure, we can see that. So this is second condition. Third condition object. So third condition you will get, you just you draw the another figure, you will get this one. Here f, here 2f. When an object is placed on 2f, 2f ଉପରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ object ଟା ରଖା ହେବ, when the object is placed on the 2f, then what happens? Here it is after parallel in ray hit on the mirror and reflected back through what focus देखिए it will reflect here. Another ray passing through the focus, it parallel to the what principal axis. जदि गोटे रे टा जाउची फोकस देई जाउची गोटे रे टा, when a ray passing through the focus point, that is what parallel to the principal axis. After reflection it is parallel to the principal axis. Like a ray टा कुटी intersect हला, it intersect हला, image is seen here. Image टा it is seen हला, image. So now object is on 2f. On 2f माने 2f पाखरे f and 2f परे object टा रखा हला. तार image टा कुटी formation हला, एपटे इंदे ऐसे कुटी formation हला on 2f. On 2f परे ही आर image टा formation आसला. आर size टा जेति कि आर size टा सेति के. तार कोन लिखा होइडी होजी सेकंड टा होजी image size equal to object size. these are size equal रहबो ए दिटा. तापर सेकंड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कोन इन्वर्टेड उल्टा and real images से. Okay, now we discuss when the object move in between f and 2f. f and 2f भितर जेतल ऑब्जेक्ट जीव सेतल कोन आसे. फोर्थ कंडीशन या थर्ड कंडीशन, this is the fourth condition we will discuss. Here is the here 2f, when it is the object is put in between f and 2f, then what happens? A parallel ray is moving in this direction. After hitting it return back to the what focus देखिए return out. Then next one, a ray which passing through the focus, it become a parallel. So what happens? Image is seen beyond 2f, means it intersect beyond 2f. 2f का बाद means ता परे ये कौन होगा? 2f परे ये intersect होगा. Figure you look at here. After 2f, a figure is seen, image is seen. So your characteristic is when the object is placed in between f and 2f. Between f and 2f. f 2f भितर object रहिला. तार कोन position of the image रे position कोन आइसो beyond 2f. Beyond 2f माने होजी 2f ପରେ तार image टा formation हो. Object टा केडीटा image टा केडा बडटा, image टा निश्चय बड. So enlarge image, a real image, inverted image. So what are the characteristics? Beyond 2f, enlarge तार टिके बड, a real image formed and inverted image formed. Here another two condition remains. When the object, now we will discuss when the object lies on f. f ऊपर जेतलो गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट रखा हबो, एठी हो जो f and 2f. Your condition is when an object is placed on f, here you get here the reflected ray, again it come back to f, and another ray when passing through f देखिए पास करियोगी एटी कोन कराबो, ये सेंटर देखि सेंटर का एवरेज दे जेतला आपको कनेक्ट कराबो, एटी कोन करा somewhere at infinity distance somewhere it intersect, they intersect at infinity distance. So an image is seen here, एटी image ta formation है. So can you tell me what are the characteristic of image here? the very large image is seen, inverted image is seen, and the real image is seen. Okay, so fifth condition on F, and then the image position far at infinity. Far at infinity means at infinity distance image is seen. Image size, what is the image size here? Image size is very large. Very large image is seen, and inverted and real image is seen. But inverted and real image is seen, very large image is seen. At what condition? Fifth condition. And sixth condition is very important condition. You remember this one. Sixth condition, very important. Again, you take the mirror. Here it is what? Principal axis, here is the pole. And an object. This is the F, this 2F. Object is placed in between F and pole. Focus and pole, when an object is placed, then what happens? Here it is. Look at a parallel ray. After hitting convex through what F? Another ray through what F? Optical center means center of curvature. It passes in this direction. They divert from each other. Divert means अर्थ होची सेमाने कोन हो आ मीट एवनी सेमाने कोन हो परस्पर दूरे पड़े रे गुडा के दूरे पड़े बट हमको देखा जीवो लुकिंग appearingly look they are coming from here at the back of the mirror रो back रे सेमाने intersect हैला बेले देखा जीवे but not these are real एगुडा real हो these are the virtual ray and so image is seen at the back of the mirror. So now properties we will discuss. Sixth condition 6. When the image is placed in between P and F, means object पूर्ण रखा P and F में रखा object is placed in between P and F. Then the position of image at the back of mirror. Mirror रो पछपटे देखा जिवो. Second condition, enlarged figure. Enlarged means बड़ा figure देखा जिवो. And erect माने सीधा. Erect figure is seen. And virtual रो अर्थ होची कोन? Not real. हला अवास्तव figure देखा जिवो. These are the condition. A question आसीबो परीक्षा रे 1 मार्क पई क्वेश्चन आसीबो. State the condition in which an imaginary figure or virtual figure is seen in case of concave mirror. Concave mirror रो virtual image आसीबार condition कोन? Condition कोन लेखा आंसर लिखा हो when the object is placed in between focus and pole, then the image is seen at the back of the mirror and large, erect and virtual. Okay, understood or not? These are the 6 conditions in case of what? Concave mirror. Now in case of convex mirror, always the image are unreal, means virtual, no real. Okay, now one figure I will draw for you. Look at. Here center of curvature, here focus point. When object is placed here, then what happen? You get. Yes, like this, parallel rays, but ये कौन है? Instead of moving this direction, it away from the what? ये एपटे पड़े जो away from this. But ये कौन देखा जो appearingly look, it is coming from this. ये तो ऐसला बड़ी देखा जो. Okay, another light. When you join the center of curvature to what? This object, then here intersect a small diminished figure you can find. But erect figure. All erect figure, erect माने अर्थ होची सीधा figure बड़ा सब बुझा कुछ virtual. Okay. So small figure, diminished figure, and look at conditions. In case of convex mirror, in case of convex, this is the convex mirror. Always a diminished figure, erect figure, and virtual figure is seen. And the position of the image is always the back of the mirror. Mirror or पछपटे से देखा जाए, हला erect है कि देखा जाए. All conditions. जो भी रखले में the object है that is. Okay, always that is. So no more we have to discuss. Now we will discuss about something refraction. Okay, little more. Refraction. Before starting, we will discuss about the velocity of light in different medium. In air and vacuum, in air, velocity of light. In air equal to in air or vacuum. शून्य के वाइब्रेट 3 लाख किलोमीटर per second. We can also write 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the velocity of light in a vacuum or air medium. In a glass, the velocity reduced to 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In liquid means water, 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. These are the velocity of light. So now here, reflection means ray heat and come back to the same medium. जो medium रे जाइतले से medium को आसी जिवो. But suppose here it is a glass. गोटे glass slab. गोटे air medium रे गोटे light गोटे pass करछि, light passing in the air medium where it heat draw a 90 degree. This is the normal. Okay, this is the normal. When it enter to the another medium, here it is the air. Air medium means it is the rarer medium, and glass is the denser medium. So when light moving from the air to glass, then it instead of passing in this direction, it slightly bend towards the normal. Normal air को ये bend is. Again you look at it move from the glass to air on it out side it air light मध्ये air रहला means denser medium to out rarer medium को light ଆସିला. एटी गुटे आमे जेतो नॉर्मल गुटे ड्रॉ करियो, इट इज अवे फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल. इट इज अवे फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल माने अर्थ होची बंके जिवो. क्वाड बंके जिवो, नॉर्मल टू ये बंके जिवो. नॉर्मल अर्थ होची दिस इज द 90 डिग्री, दिस इज आल्सो 90 डिग्री. हेले कोन आमे कंडीशन हम रखले when light travel from the rarer medium to denser medium, it is closer towards the normal light को close ही गेसिबो. And when the light traveling from the denser medium to rarer medium, it is away from the normal. Away माने अर्थ होची दूरे जी. हैला. But remember, when you extend these two lines are parallel. ए दिटा देखो parallel बोली कहंदे, and this is known as lateral displacement. Lateral displacement. So what is the meaning of lateral displacement? Lateral displacement means this is the incidence ray, this is the first refracted ray, this is the refracted ray, and this is the emergent ray. Emergent ray. So the distance between what this is what incident ray. The distance between incident ray to the emergent ray is known as what? Lateral displacement. The lateral displacement depends on several factors. Here the lateral displacement दूरता several factors पर का ऊपर depend करूची. It depends on the material, means the glass which is used here. जोटा यूज कराई से glass पर depend करूची. यार thickness टा जितना बड़ी जो the lateral displacement is more and more. So it depends on the glass. So means the medium which is used in between them. जो medium रे ये रही से ता ऊपर depend करूची. Okay. Now we come to the important question is when the light traveling from what rarer one medium to another medium, then it slightly bend. Why it bend? when light passing from one medium to another medium, that slightly bent. That bending means a bending nature is known as what? A refraction. Refraction means the bending nature of the light when it traveling from one medium to another medium. So second one, when light passing from the rarer medium to denser medium is closer to the what? Normal. It is away from the normal, away to the normal when it passing from the denser medium to rarer medium. Okay. Now you come to one thing, 1 minute. The two law of what? Refraction. Refraction law. Law number 1. I will give the material. Okay. After completion of 3 to 4 classes, I will give the material. Okay. Physics material I will give. Now listen the class now. Law number 1. According to law number 1, this is the incident ray, and this is the refracted ray, and this is the normal. All lies on the same plane at the point of incident. This is the point of incident. This is the incident ray, refracted ray, and this is the normal. All lies on the same plane. अर्थ होची incident ray, normal आउ इटा कोनटा refracted ray सबजा गोटे plane पर रहिबे. This is the law number 1. Second law, law number 2. In second law, here angle of this is the angle of incidence I. This is the angle of refraction I. Okay. So sin I by sin R is equal to mu. Mu is a constant. Is also known as refractive index. Refractive index of material. जो मटेरियल यूज करा होची द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स होची म्यू. एपटर बेंडिंग रो साइन रो एपटर बेंडिंग रो साइन आर साइन जेति की कोन अछि मन करे एटा होची 60 डिग्री एटा होची 30 डिग्री. आर कोन द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स आने पे सपोज दिस इज व्हाट 60 डिग्री एंड दिस इज 30 डिग्री. व्हाट इज द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स? म्यू इक्वल टू sin 60 by sin 30. Okay, sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2 by 30 equal to root 3 equal to 1.73. The refractive index of this glass equal to 1.73 then. Okay, how to find? If the angle of refraction and incident are given, use this formula for finding the refractive index. Okay, so now this law also called the Snell's law. Snell's law. Which law is known as the Snell's law? The sine of angle of incidence, the ratio between the sine of angle of incidence by sine of what? Angle of refraction is a constant. That constant is called mu. Okay, mu is a constant, is known as refractive index. These are the two laws of refraction, and later we will discuss. Okay, I will give the material for the lecture.